sick and tired already. Kuy, sawang-sawa na, 'cause you've got a big mouth at mahaba pa ang dila. You're like a movie magazine, marami kang istorya. Hoy, chismosa. Hoy, chismosa. Your face is kinda cute, pero meron kang problema. You're the queen of storytelling, reyna ka ng daldalera. If I'm not mistaken, pwede ka pag may karera. Your favorite sport is talking, ikaw nga ay sinungaling. You invent a situation that is not even existing. Diyan ka numero uno, magaling ka sa chismisan. Kahit di ka pakainin, basta mayroong usapan. Hoy, chismosa. Hoy, chismosa. I call it quit or tama na, dahil ikaw ay daldalera. You're like a movie magazine, marami kang istorya. So now I realize, ngayon ay alam ko na, mahirap ang magsyota ng babaeng daldalera. So I'm saying this to you dahil ako yung niloloko. I don't know why I love you, nagsisisi na ako. You go on and on and on, mahadera. On and on and on, intrigera. On and on and on, palengkera. Baby, 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 why don't you just drop it, hoy, chismosa?